Hello children, today we will study lesson number 9 in moral science, that is cleanliness. Yes, cleanliness is very important for us children. Okay, one who is not clean, one who is unhygienic suffers a lot of disease. Okay, nowadays we know that it is very important to be clean, not only ourselves but we have to keep the surrounding also clean. We should keep washing our hands, and we should wear clean clothes and all, so that we can avoid the entry of this COVID virus to get inside our body. So let's see this chapter children, page number 30. Railway station is a very busy place. A large number of people come and go from there. Bus stops are crowded with commuters. Commuters means children, people who travel from one place to other. Children for schools and adults for offices are busy boarding buses. Sight of urchins is a common sight at these places. Urchins means children, young, poor, dirty child. You can see children who are moving here and there, maybe asking for begging money or something. They live by begging or working as porters. Porters means who carry luggage, suitcases and all at railway station or bus station. So they are known as porters. So children, we know that these places like railway station, bus station, these are very busy places, and lot of commuters, that is the travelers, are coming and going here and there. And these urchins, they are very commonly visible at these places. Although child labor has been banned, these boys and girls have to work for a living to support their families. So we know that child labor is banned. Small children are not allowed, not supposed to work. It is banned by law. But still they have to work, children, because they are needy and they are helpless. They want to support their family members. So they will work, they'll earn money, and this is how they support their family. They usually live in a very unhealthy conditions. Yes, the surroundings, the home where they live is not at all healthy. They live in slums where water is scarce. So the slum area where they live in, what we say in Hindi, Jhopar Patti, they live in those areas, small huts are there, and there's very, there's lack of water. Water is not easily available to them. They seldom, so they are not able to bath daily. They seldom bathe or wash their clothes, so they have to wear those dirty clothes only, because the water that they get, they drink it and they use it for making food. So where is the water to take bath and to wash the clothes? So they don't bath and they don't wear washed clothes also. They do not brush their teeth also. They eat with their dirty hands and often fall ill. So they do not know the importance of being hygienic. They just eat with their dirty hands, and all germs are there on their hands, and so the germs get inside their body and they fall ill. You should learn to take care of yourself. You should learn to live a healthy life. You are fortunate that you have a home, you have parents, and you have opportunity to study. So look at these children, they are such unfortunate children, because they don't have facilities with them. But you are fortunate, you are very lucky that you are in such a good home, you have such nice parents, and you get healthy food to eat. So you should you should be thankful to God for this thing. And you are lucky enough to do that, because you are studying in such a good school. Use of the toilet is the first healthy habit you should learn. It is necessary that you wash your hands with soap and water after using the toilet. So first thing is that we should never go outside for toilets and all. Use the toilets which is in the houses, and after using the toilet we should always wash our hands with soap and water. You should brush your teeth after every meal. You should take a bath in the morning. After games, your body sweats. Therefore, you should take a shower after games too. So children, after every meal, you should brush your teeth, because after every meal, bacteria and all germs get inside. So you have to brush after every meal. And also don't forget to take bath in the morning, and in summertime you should take bath even before going for sleep. After games, your body sweats. When you play outside, what happens? Your body starts sweating, and bad odor also comes out. So after you come from playing, you should take bath. Always make sure that your nails are trimmed regularly. Always wear clean clothes. Don't grow your nails. Sometimes, especially girls, they grow their nails that look beautiful. But we should not grow our nails, because all dirt and all gets inside the nails, and when we eat, that means these dirt germs also get inside our body. So always trim your nails, and also you should wear clean clothes. Avoid going to polluted areas. You may breathe in foul air. So nowadays, because of the vehicles and all, the environment is so polluted. So we should, unless we have important work, don't go outside, and because the more you go outside, the more polluted air you breathe in, and your lungs may get affected and you may fall ill. So avoid going out unnecessarily, and even if you have to go out, you should always wear a mask. Okay. You must go to bed early, as you need a lot of sleep. Good sleep will help you wake up early and be fresh for the new day. So early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. I hope you have heard this saying. So it is very good to go to bed early on time, and in the morning also you should get up early. Okay. So because that makes you feel fresh all day long. Your eyes are very delicate organs. You must not strain them by watching television for a long time. Reading your lessons in dim or very bright light can harm your eyes. You must wash your eyes very often. So children, don't sit in front of the television and keep watching TV for a long time, because that might put strain, means pressure on your eyes. Eyes are very delicate, very soft organ, and if you keep watching television for a longer time, it will put strain on your eyesight, and that can weaken your eyesight. Okay, that can damage your eyesight. So don't sit for long hours in front of the television. And also when you are reading, don't read in a very dim light, or not even in a very bright light. Okay, that also damages the eyesight. And you should keep washing your eyes, because that relaxes the eyes, and if any dirt or something is there in the eyes, that washes out. Okay children, so this is about the chapter cleanliness, and here we have the exercise part also. I want to give you this also. So page number 32, tick the right answers. Children in slums are unhealthy because first one is wrong, and rest of them are right. Seldom bathe, wear dirty clothes, never trim their nails, eat with dirty hands, do not brush their teeth, carry germs on their body. These are all correct. A healthy habit is to take bath regularly, pick on this, wear clean clothes, trim your nails regularly, breathe fresh air. These are the healthy habits. Tick on these options. Bus stops are crowded with commuters. First one is fill the blanks. C-O-M-M-U-T-E-R-S, commuters. Child labor has been banned. L-A-B-O-U-R. You must wash your hands. Wash your hands with soap and water. Soap and water.